Should I put food under the bones or no?
It's your choice.
I'll try that. Okay. Do a little bit of that. A little bit of this. Come on, get in there. 1, 2. Okay. Round 4. Is it?
Dude, don't keep going backwards. Don't keep going backwards. So I'm just gonna...
Ready? Set. Go.
So you have to go back and get the other one.
Way too fast.
Yeah, but it's in that thing. Come on, baby.
You know she's gonna master this game in no time, right?
She already has. There's no way we can make this any more complicated.
Hide them under more balls.
Oh, yeah, I think we're with
There's only one left she hasn't opened. Oh, she got it.
Hey, you got it! You got it!
That was exceedingly fast.
How fast was that?
Maybe a minute.
Oh, wow. You're an incredible job, Rosie. Oh, Carlos Suta? Do you still want to get groceries?
Oh, I do need to get no bread.
Can me and David help you and go to the grocery store?
When does that be? When am I pajamas? You have to tell me when.
You have like maybe 25 minutes?
Okay. I need to check and see if they emailed me that my order's canceled or what.
Oh, no, go right ahead.
Because they're supposed to call me back, but they haven't
Okay.
called me back.
Rosie, you got them all. You're all done. You're all done.
Okay, here we go. Come on, down.
Like, I want to play again.
Come on. I know. Here we go.